You guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, but here's a tiny, very little evening routine for you guys. That's the dog that lives at the cafe that I was working from. Now I'm going home, and this is fairly no traffic as far as Bangalore traffic is concerned. I've reached home, and this is me taking a little water break. And sorry for this, I'm a little weird like this. This is the outfit I chose for today, and now that I'm looking cute, let's start with the evening routine. But first, let's cook. That's me making some chapati dough. And it's a little dry, so I'm adding in a little water. Perfect. This is me cutting some onions and of course crying a little to make some egg roast curry. So to make your egg roast curry, put some onions in a pan and then saute them. Saute them till they're like golden brown, and on the side cook your eggs, boil your eggs. Put in some ginger garlic paste into your onions, and then put in some tomato and then some chilies, and then mix them all together. Cover your pan and let them all cook. That's me taking a cookie break. When all your veggies or ingredients or whatever are cooked, put in some turmeric, chili powder, garam masala, and some coriander powder, and then mix them all in, and then add your eggs. If you have some coriander leaves, that would go very well with this, but I didn't have any. Now I'm watching some Modern Family along with my food. It's time for a shower now. This should have ideally been before food, but it is what it is. Some shampoo, conditioner with water cause I'm broke. Body scrub.
Since it's self-care day, I thought I'd put this face mask also. It's from Kaya. It's a charcoal peel off mask to keep hair off my face. Oh, this camera is my mirror right now. It's been really long since I put any type of mask on my face. I would lie, it really burnt, but now it's okay and it's dry, mostly dry. So let's try to peel it. Let's try to peel it out. They said from forehead to below. Ouch. Ow. Then try here. I don't think this is really good for the skin. I'll go wash it off now. Not a lot of pores or anything on it. Hi. Yeah, I washed it off. I think my skin's looking a little more clear. Like a little glow. What do you think? Okay, let's do my nighttime skincare routine. Products that I use. One is a hyaluronic acid. This is from the Inky list. This is glycolic, a vitamin C suspension, a CeraVe moisturized lip balm. This is from Dot and Key, and like for my hair, on days that I don't wash my hair, I use this hair serum, and like it's really reduced my hair fall. I don't know about growing hair, but it's really reduced hair fall. So I change it up once in a while. Some days I use glycolic, some days I use vitamin C. I mix vitamin C with my moisturizer and I use it together. But I don't put glycolic on the days I put vitamin C. Although you can, I don't prefer that because I just feel like it's too heavy on my face. Hyaluronic acid as well. I use it on days I feel like using it. So you're supposed to use it on like wet skin. You wet your skin and then you put a little on it and it's really hydrating. But today I will do glycolic. I refrigerated these days because it's summer. It started looking really weird and I've read that it keeps all the ingredients active during the summer. It's always better to refrigerate your skincare products. I usually put it with my hand only. I don't use a cotton or anything, and that works for me. But please do whatever works for your own skin. And don't forget your neck. My only other advice would be to drink a lot of water. And the best way to do that is to get like a cute bottle that you like and you'll just want to drink water all the time. I got this bottle which I'm adjusting my phone on. I'll show you anyways. This, and I can't like stop drinking water. I drink way too much water now. Okay. After that's like dried out, I use my moisturizer. You can add in vitamin C with this, but then in the summer I just feel like that's way too heavy for me. I cannot. Like I wake up feeling all oily. If I have any extra, I put it here. Oh, I really like them to dry, like not feel sticky at all. And then lip balm. I look sweaty, but at night that's okay. I can look like that. Nobody really gives a fuck. And yeah, now I also brush my brows at night. I cannot have like unbrushed brows. Okay then, good night. Bye guys. Have a very, very good day. I'm gonna go sleep now. It's pretty late, but it's 12. But this is how my routine goes. Okay. Bye, toots.
Meet me at the